Oh,
Welcome back to our fabulous YouTube channel at the Virtual Academy. We're going to continue our lesson on opinion writing. And last time we were here, we wrote a few thesis statements giving our opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start every time I put down my pen. That means you can pause the camera, teacher or whoever's leading this, pause the camera and let pause the video and the students can write or talk. Okay. So we're going to start. I'm going to use that first, that in the last video regarding opinions. We wrote 5 thesis statements, and I'm going to take that first one, if you remember, pancakes versus waffles. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rewrite my thesis statement. So I'm going to write this. Okay. So my thesis statement is pancake pancakes are better, more delicious. They're just super. Pancakes are better. You're watching me, you're not writing. Are better than waffles. Pancakes are better than waffles. This is my thesis statement. Mine. You're just watching me. So, pancakes are better than waffles. Can you unmute if you're in the Fabulous Virtual Academy? Or if you're in a traditional classroom, go ahead and say this with me. Pancakes are better than waffles. One more time, read it with me. Pancakes are better than waffles. Excellent. So you're watching here. So now I think, you know what? I think I'm going to have you draw this graphic organizer with me. So I want you to draw a square, and then I want you to make 5 little lines outside your square. So can you go ahead and make this? You don't have to write this, just this. Go ahead. Perfect. Perfect. You should have made that, right? Every time I put down the pen, it's to pause. And here in the middle of my square, I'm going to write my thesis statement. Pancakes are better than waffles. Pancakes are better than waffles. That's my thesis statement. Go and copy that. It's the same sentence here if you can't see. Go ahead and copy. Excellent. And I like how you put a capital P and a period at the end of your statement. So here we're going to have reasons. Reasons. Why do I think that pancakes are better than waffles? Why do I think that pancakes are better than waffles? Well, I'm going to take some notes here. So I think you know why I think pancakes are better than waffles? Actually, I think waffles are better, but I'm just going to pick pancakes. And since it's my thesis statement, I'm going to stick with my sentence throughout the whole writing. I like pancakes. Have you ever seen pancakes and there's different shapes like hearts, triangles? You can make a pancake. You can make a pancake in the shape of like an animal. You could there's little you could cut out shapes and make them into pancakes. So I think pancakes are better because you can make shapes out of pancakes. So that's one of my reasons I like pancakes more than waffles. You could make shapes. I've seen snowmen, I've seen little Santa Claus. You can make shapes out of pancakes, little trees. You could make all kinds of shapes out of pancakes. Um, I'm gonna go ahead. Why don't you go ahead and copy that too? You can make shapes out of pancakes. Go ahead. Perfect. Why else do you like pancakes? Do you have any other ideas? Can you raise your Zoom hand or your hand in the classroom and tell me why pancakes are better than waffles? All right, good. Okay, so I heard different things. I like the idea that they can have more toppings than waffles or fillings, right? So you can have chocolate chips on top, whipped cream. You could have all kinds of fruits. You can have all kinds of there. You could put more things on top of a pancake than on top of a waffle. So they can have more toppings than waffles. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. All right, go ahead. If you have something different, you can write your thing or you can copy mine. Go ahead. Excellent. Okay, so pancakes are better than waffles. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. You know what, too? I like pancakes too because you can stack them. So here's my plate, and here's one pancake, two pancakes, three pancakes. You could stack them on top of each other. I like a little butter, and then here's some syrup on top. So I'm going to write here, you can stack
Listen to a teacher.
pancakes. Sorry for that. Easily. You can stack pancakes easily. You can stack pancakes easily. Before I have you write, can you read the sentences we have with me? Go. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. You can stack pancakes easily. Excellent. Let's read it one more time. Go. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. You can stack pancakes easily. Go ahead and copy this one, or if you have your own, go ahead. All right. Can anyone think of any other reasons pancakes are better than waffles? Go ahead and raise your Zoom hand or your real hand if you're in a traditional classroom. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So I put here, I was thinking pancakes keep you full, your stomach full, keep you full longer. I know, I think waffles, especially the kind that you just toast real fast, they're delicious, but they don't keep you full. Pancakes to me, when I eat pancakes, I'm very full for a long time. Pancakes keep you full longer. Go ahead and copy that. Perfect, perfect. So let's read all of the sentences we have with me. Unmute yourselves and go. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. You can stack pancakes easily. Pancakes keep you full longer. Okay, so these are all reasons. So I'm going to take this information and I'm going to go ahead and write one paragraph. A paragraph is I'm going to write a good maybe 5 sentences. Thesis statement, which is here and here. And then I'm going to write the different reasons why pancakes are better than waffles. So I'm going to go ahead. Here's my paragraph. Every time I write a paragraph, I'm going to put a couple of fingers here. You don't have to write the lines like I do, but it should look like this because you always want to leave a little space at the beginning. You want to leave a little space at the beginning. And here I'm going to write my paragraph. You're watching with your eyes. You're only watching with your eyes. And even though there's already lines on my paper, I just wanted you to see the indenting. So you're going to watch me. I'm going to take the information from my graphic organizer. Remember, the graphic organizer is what we just did. I'm looking for a different color pen. I'm looking for a different color pen. Um, I'm going to take the information here and I'm going to make a paragraph. I'm going to write a paragraph writing my opinion as to what's better, pancakes or waffles. So I'm going to copy my thesis statement. Pancakes are better than waffles. I'm going to go, you're watching me. Pancakes are better than waffles. Oops. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to put a period, period. Okay. And why are they better? Here are my reasons. Here are my reasons. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write this. You can make shapes out of pancakes. You're watching me. You can make shape out of pancakes, period. So pancakes are better than waffles. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. So the pancakes can have more toppings. They can have more toppings. Okay, period. They can have more toppings. So why don't you unmute, and I'm going to add a couple more lines here because I don't think I'm going to have enough space, and read with me out loud. Go. Pancakes are better than waffles. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. Do we have, what else do we? You can stack pancakes easily, but you know what? I already started a sentence with you, so I don't want to start a sentence with you again. And I already started with they. What if I say, instead of you, why don't I say people? People are able, that means they can. People are able to stack pancakes easily. Because I don't want to start you, that's boring if I make every sentence start the same. So I'm going to start it with people are able. I'm going to write right here, period. People are able to stack pancakes easily. It's not hard. It's not hard. You could put one pancake on top of the other. Unmute, please, and read out loud with me. Pancakes are better than waffles. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. People are able to stack pancakes easily. And we have one more here. And pancakes keep you full longer. I'm going to use that one just as it is. Pancakes keep you full longer. Okay. So you're reading with me one last time. Read with me and go. Pancakes are better than waffles. You can make shapes out of pancakes. They can have more toppings. People are able to stack pancakes easily. Pancakes keep you full longer. Now, can you read by yourself? Go. Excellent. Perfect. So I do want you to copy this. You can type it if you want, or you can write it out and upload it onto Google Classroom. We'll see you next time at the Fabulous Virtual Academy's YouTube channel. Bye.